Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add hanging indentations to a reference. So let's say you have typed out your paper. Okay, you got your paper, it's ready for the most part. And yes, you've already been keeping up, by the way, with your references. Let's say you've already gotten them typed out, but you don't know how to format them according to APA as it relates to a hanging indentation. So let me go down here first. I'm gonna go to insert, gonna make life easier for us. Click in a put in a page break. It takes us down to the next page. I'm gonna go back to the home tab and then I'm gonna add center because we need a heading up here. Whoops, not that. A heading that's called references. And remember, the entire paper needs to be consistently not only double spaced, but it needs to have that consistent. It doesn't need italics. Consistency as it relates to your headings for APA, fonts, font size, all of that needs to be consistent. So we're going to change this to bold. And remember, and we use Times New Roman above, so we're going to change it to Times New Roman. And it's already at 12. So now we're going to hit enter. Yes, it still remains centered. That's not a problem. We'll come right here and we'll just do an align left. Now I'm just going to pop in a quick reference real quick. And let's make sure our line spacing, first of all, for the whole thing is correct. Let me check it because it doesn't look right. Yep, I figured. So it did change when we put that break in. That's what caused the change because typically your line spacing is going to remain the same. So before and after needs to be 0, and then line spacing is double, and then we're going to click OK. And now we have our double spacing down here. Then we're going to highlight just the reference itself. And then we're going to put a what's called a hanging indentation on it. So we're going to come here to the paragraph options, and it's under indentation, it's under special, and we're going to choose hanging and then click OK. That is what, and all of your references are going to be just like that. They're in alphabetical order, right? And they have this hanging indentation. It's just easier to look at them that way. But that's what APA requires. That's how you do it in the online version of Microsoft Word. That's how you add a hanging indentation to your references.